to cancel Amazon Audible subscription. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to cancel Amazon Audible subscription. So for that, just simply open the Amazon's official website, and after that just simply click on the profile section from the right hand side of the screen, and over here you will be able to see your account settings, and under that you will be able to see the option called membership and subscriptions. Just simply tap on it, and now just simply enter your mobile number and your password in order to log in into your Amazon account. And once you have logged in into your Amazon account, on the membership and subscription page you will be able to see all the membership that you have gotten in your Amazon account. So as you can see that I don't have the Amazon Audible subscription in my account as of now, but if you have it you will be able to see the list over here along with the Amazon Prime, Audible or Kindle, whatever. So in order to cancel the subscription, all you have to do, you should have the subscription in your account first of all, and if you have the subscription you will be able to see the option called cancel subscription right beside the subscription page. So for example, there you can see the Amazon Prime icon. Along with these, in the same line you will be able to see the option called cancel subscription. If you have the subscription in your account, you just simply have to click on cancel subscription, and you will have to authenticate or verify your step while confirming your action, and your Audible subscription will be cancelled quite easily. So this is basically how you will be able to cancel Amazon Audible subscription. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.